So I've arrived in Cochin, and I thought I would give you a quick tour of the room that I'm staying in. So this is the Gateway Hotel. Cochin is in Kerala, I think the district. So this is the bedroom as you walk through. So bed there, television, drawers. This is also a mini bar, desk over here. I've got Wi-Fi for 4 devices as well, a seat, and a table with the Taj book on it. So this is the 3rd Taj hotel that I've stayed at so far. The view is so nice outside. And they have complimentary boat rides here as well. So on an afternoon, in the next sort of hour, I think, because I've gotten here and it's early afternoon, they have a boat trip that we can go on. So that seems nice, all air conditioned. And through here, these are like wardrobe space. Ironing board, laundry that they do as well, slippers, and obviously the safe. And to my right hand side, this is the mirror with me in it, and this is toilet, sink, shower. They're a little bit older, like these hotels, and I think they used to be. Some of them have hair dryer there, that's good, because I'm going to be washing my hair again. And similar products that I've seen in other hotels that I've been using recently. So all of your different kits that you might need, towels, no towels on here. Yeah, the hotels do seem to kind of be old palaces or old buildings that have been formerly whoops, I cut out, okay. Back to what I was saying. The hotels tend to be things like palaces, buildings that were formerly used for other reasons that have turned into hotels. So they're often quite ornate downstairs in the lobby areas. And they can tend to be older, a little bit more worn than some of the other places. Just noticed fan on the ceiling and also surround sound for the TV. It's more than enough for me. It's the very good size and aircon and kind of exactly where I need to relax before I start working tomorrow. So I have a few hours today, so I'm going to go out and go on the boat ride, I think. But I just wanted to show you what the room was like. So all good here, and this is the Gateway Hotel by the Taj in Cochin.